iRobot has become a synonym for quality when it comes to manufacturing robot vacuum cleaners that are powerful and capable enough to make your life easier and exclude you from the need to go around your house and clean it by yourself. Why waste your energy and your free time for doing something that can be done by a compact and feature-full robot which is incredibly smart and way more quicker than you? Today, I'm going to make a detailed overview of the Roomba 980 and present you with its best parts, but also the parts that can be considered as drawbacks in order to make you more informed, as I always do. So, let's get started. From a design perspective, the Roomba 980 measures 13.8 inches in diameter, 3.6 inches in height, and weighs around 8.7 pounds, making it a pretty compact and lightweight device for entering in tight places where most of the robot vacuum cleaners simply give up. The 980 features a circular design that is covered in a glossy black and silver finish that sits at the intersection of black and brown. It looks really futuristic when you see it, and if you flip it over, you can notice that there is one dustbin, a floor tracking sensor, two main 6.2-inch rotating brushes, and a spinning side brush. The dustbin and its rotating brushes are removable, so you can clean them quickly, effectively, and then pop them back in without any problem. At the top, there is a small notch that houses a camera that is pointed forward and up, but there are also three buttons, such as one large circular clean button that is accompanied by two smaller buttons known as home and spot mode. When you press the clean button, the Roomba 980 will produce a smooth sound and inform you that it's ready to start the cleaning session, so you will be always informed about its current state. This robot vacuum cleaner is Wi-Fi enabled and is compatible with Amazon Alexa and with the Google Assistant, which means that you can control it by using your speech. By saying start, stop or dock, this vacuum cleaner will do everything respectively, so you can lay in your bed and chill while the Roomba will start cleaning and exclude you from the need to be around it. You can also take an advantage of the iRobot Home app that is compatible with Android and iOS, so you can download it for free and use all of the included options for maximizing your comfort as much as possible. I'm going to talk more about the included options, but also for the performance in the following sections, so let's get into explaining. From a performance and feature perspective, the Roomba 980 uses the iAdapt 2.0 navigation with visual localization technology, which makes the robot navigate and clean your whole home on its own. This technology works by building a map of the environment that the robot is going to clean, and also keep a track of its location so you will always know where it is located. Moreover, the included camera is going to identify and recall objects, while its tracking sensor will deliver an accurate and robust map of your house. The second technology that is used by the Roomba is the Aero Force cleaning system with Carpet Boost, which helps the robot to remove dirt, debris and pet hair with up to 10 times more air power for ensuring that your house will be really clean. This technology is capable of capturing up to 99% of all the allergens, pollen and particles as small as 10 microns, so you will notice that the air and your health will be improved. The Roomba is very easy to use. Just download the iRobot app and then this device will automatically detect your Wi-Fi network and ask you if you want to connect it, then enter the Wi-Fi password and you're ready to witness its power. Once connected, you can notice that the main screen features a big clean button that looks like a physical button positioned at the top, which serves for activating the cleaning mode as the name says. By using the smart app, you can start or pause cleaning cycles, turn on push notifications for receiving real-time notifications, select custom cleaning preferences, make schedules for any day of the week, and much more. If you choose the Clean Map option from the Smart app, you will be given a full report of where your robot has cleaned for having a greater intuitive experience. You will also get regular updates for keeping you up to date, so you shouldn't worry about anything. I want to also mention that the Roomba sensors are extremely advanced because they help you in two ways. The first is that they will prevent the robot from falling or tumbling over, which makes it really secure, and secondly, they will make the robot able to even go under and around your furniture for cleaning every dirt existing. The Roomba's package also includes two dual-mode virtual wall barriers to increase its overall safety even more, because you can place them next to an open doorway and block the robot up from falling. Nothing is perfect in this world, nor the Roomba itself, so you can always find a few occurrences of debris, but this doesn't mean that you shouldn't buy this product. It happens rarely, but it still does, so I will leave the decision up to you whether that can be considered as a huge drawback or not. If you consider that it automatically detects different floor surfaces and optimizes suction power for providing the best possible cleaning, then I think that this shouldn't be a really big deal. The battery life is expected to last around 2 hours, and it is pretty straightforward too, because it will pulse yellow if you have to charge the robot or green when it is fully charged and ready to use. There is also a red trash icon for informing you when the dustbin is full, so you should react respectively. In addition, the 2-hour battery life is not static, because it may vary due to the modes you're using. If you use those who require more power, the battery life will drain faster, and vice versa. Overall, the Roomba 980 is worthy of attention because it is extremely powerful and includes plenty of features that will make your house be really clean. Maybe the price isn't cheap, but this robot vacuum cleaner justifies its price tag by working incredibly well, so if you ever decide to purchase it, you will assure yourself of the potential and the given benefits. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you wanna find out the price and more information about the Roomba 980, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to it, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.